going on, guys? Today it's 50 degrees out and I think it's a good day to do some work to my car. As you can see, this expires this month, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in my downpipe fix, and one other thing I have to do is I have to fix my rear O2 sensor, since the cable hung down, dragged on the road and completely destroyed the connector. So I'm gonna have to wire that up so that that code will clear. But I'm gonna start this up. I haven't started it in several months, so let's see. Okay, hopefully the battery's not dead. She lives. Oh man, I haven't driven this in so long. So as you may know, I have the blow motor unplugged so that it doesn't catch on fire. I also have my fire extinguisher on deck, and I can't see anything. Everything in here is foggy. Even the gauges are foggy. This is bad. Mint. Okay, I got my car in the air. Now I'm gonna go underneath, look at the O2 sensor wiring, hopefully fix it, and then once I do that, we'll get into putting the downpipe fix in, which I'll give you guys a step-by-step on how to do that. Do yourself a favor and never buy a Harbor Freight creeper. Okay, I just wired up my rear O2. I'm gonna start it, see if the code is there. Fuck. Okay, so I tried to fix the wiring. That didn't really work. So I'm gonna move on to installing the downpipe fix right now. I just unplugged the battery so that we don't mess up the ECU, and I pulled the cover off the front so we can access the JB4. So installing this is pretty easy. The first thing you want to do is remove the small sub connector and then pull out the black JB4 harness right here. Now what you're going to want to do is extract from the female side 19, 20, and 23. You can see it's numbered 26 to 14. So I'm gonna just extract those 3 wires right now. Okay, I've now extracted these 3 wires. It's very simple to extract them. I just take a small flathead and press down in these little channels, and you can easily pull the wires out. And now we're gonna wire in the downpipe fix. So here's the downpipe fix all wired in. The red female goes into position 23 and the male goes directly above that. And then the 2 black female wires go into positions 19 and 20. with the one black going directly above that. One position is going to be left open, and that's okay. Now we come down to the actual downpipe fix right here. This is adjustable. The suggested starting point is right there. See where the arrow is pointing, kind of at the 5 o'clock position. Set it to there, and then if we have to, we'll adjust it later. Now that this is all wired up, I'm going to put the sub connectors back together, plug it in, and we should be all set. Okay, the JB4 is all plugged in, back together. I'm going to put the cover on and replug in the battery, make sure it still runs. Alrighty, here we go. Woo! Still runs. So since I have that code still, that means my wiring job did not work. So what that means is I'm gonna have to, I guess I'm just gonna buy another O2 sensor because I don't want to mess with the wiring anymore. It sucks, it's annoying, so I'll buy another rear O2, see what, put it in, see if the code goes away. Hopefully it does. And fuck, it's so annoying. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get the new O2 in. What's up, guys? It's been about a week since I ended that last part of the video. I finally got the O2 sensor in. I just put it in, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive it, go get some gas, try to get the codes to stay ready. And if they stay ready, then we should be all set to inspect this. So let's go for a ride. It's pretty shitty out right now, raining, but it is 60 degrees out in January, so that's nice. And my fucking battery's dead. Oh my god, dude. Really? Alright. That was annoying. But so far, no check engine light. That's a plus. I did plug in my fan because it's rainy and I'm not gonna be able to see. Now I'm about to drive over an hour to get gas, and I'd like to be able to see. Oh yeah. That chatter though. Okay, I'm at the gas station. As you can see, it's E85. Gonna fill her up. So far, no check engine lights, which is good. Alright, mission accomplished. Full tank of gas. Still no check engine, even after restarting it. We're golden over here. We're freaking golden. So yeah, let's drive home. Try not to get into an accident, and it should be good. Oh my god, it's raining. I better put my hazards on because it's a hazard outside right now. Oh! Alright guys, that's gonna complete this video. Pretty much all we did in this video was I showed you how to install the JB4 Downpipe Fix, and seems like it's worked so far. I haven't completed the driving cycle completely because you have to drive it for like 50 miles and get the cats to stay ready. Right now it still says incomplete, so I'm sure if I drive it a little bit more, those will complete, and then should be all good to get an inspection. Well, when I bring it in, we'll make another video of it getting inspected. Hopefully it passes, and once it does, we'll start modding it. So that's exciting. Don't forget to hit the link down in the description. Get yourself some stickers. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think of these videos. We always love the feedback, so even if we're not responding, we're still reading them. We'll see you guys next time.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.